Hey y'all, Ronald here. We're gonna go over the Letsfit EP1 sleep sound machine. In front of us here we have all the parts included when you get the product. So we have our user manual, we got this little pamphlet that goes over the company social media and company info. We got a warranty card and contact info. You're gonna get a button description. You're gonna get the power adapter, and then of course your EP1 sleep sound machine. So the EP1 sleep sound machine has touch buttons, touch sensitive buttons. It comes with this little film, so when you're ready to remove it, just simply take it off. The speaker is on the back over here, so it's pretty big speaker. And then to give it power, it's on the other side over here. If you need to do any factory resetting, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. All right, so let's go over the actual buttons and what they do. So first, you have your power on and off. To the left and to the right is your decrease, increase volume. Then further up, you have your previous track and next track. And then these two buttons here, the M1, M2 buttons, these are meant to record the setting of like the sound you like. For example, if you like the waterfall sound, then you could, like at this volume, you could record it. And then to record it, just simply hold it and it'll save it. And then you could just press it again and it'll go back to that setting. And then here is your timer. So you can set the timer for 15, 30, 60, 90, 120 minutes, or to disable this feature. So it's pretty self-explanatory once you get it. This product is useful if you like to have background noise, or your child likes it. So it has 20 unique sounds that are available. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.